In this video, I will show you how to use the calendar. Open the menu. Click Calendar. Here, you can view all bookings in the calendar. Here you can search for a specific car. Type the car name to find it quickly. The system will show the card you're looking for. Here you can see all the vehicles. Here you can see pickups and returns. You can filter to see only pickups, or filter to see only returns. You can also switch to View All. You can also filter by vehicle category. Or by transmission type, automatic or manual. Here you can reset the calendar filters. This option lets you search for available cars. I will explain this in another video. Here you can go to the Operations page. Daily Operations shows today's and tomorrow's activity. I will explain this in another video. Here you can move to the previous month. Here you can move to the next month. You can also select the month and year manually. Here you can change the calendar view. You can view it by week, 30 days, or month. Here you can download the calendar. The file will be saved in your downloads. You can also create a new booking from here. Click any green icon to add a booking. Click on a booking to open it. You can also view booking details. Click again on a booking to open it. Here you can mark the car as out of service. Add a new booking and mark the customer as notified. You can also view booking details. Here you can also edit the rental information. The next video will show how to search for available cars. Thank you for watching.